could just explain the whole legal part so that our very learned opposition leaders and the analysts also understand, and to be very clear, Anurag Bhadoria also understands that what did the court say today? Ishkaran, for the betterment of clarity.
Aishwarya,
Yes, Ishkaran.
Aishwarya, firstly, it's a very good development that certain people have their faith restored in democracy, because daily they are busy criticizing the judgments of the Supreme Court. From Ram Mandir to today, the Supreme Court order of ASI survey in Gyan Vapi, there is a constant innuendo campaign run against the Honorable Supreme Court in the ED matters where they upheld the constitutionality, in ASI matters, in the Ram Mandir matters, so many matters. There is a constant verification campaign run. I, for one, would be very happy if after today they stop criticizing or casting aspersions on the judiciary. आज तो मान जाएं कि democracy है इनके हिसाब से. But secondly, what has happened, that is very important to understand. It was a legal case, and I, for one, and I'm on record, I do not agree with criminal defamation as a law. I think in free society it should not be there. But the people not in power today were the biggest votaries of retaining this law. That is a historical fact. Not only this law, they wanted to bring 66A, जिसके अंदर for annoyance you would be sent to jail. तो यहाँ पे कोई annoy होता ऐश्वर्या आपसे, अभिषेक आपसे, वो जेल के अंदर होता. इस तरह के कानून ये लेके आए थे. But what has just one more point? What has happened today? Yes. What has happened today? Court has said these comments of Mr. Rahul Gandhi were not in good taste. A politician should not be making these comments, but the court has said because the penalty suffered by the politician, which is disqualification, will be very big, will be irreparable, which will not be something which can be rectified. So we are staying the conviction. That is all that has happened. And I will end by saying Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein said the definition of insanity is doing the same thing again and again, expecting a different result. 2014, Rahul Gandhi contested elections against Prime Minister Modi. 2019, he was the PM candidate. In 2024, he can be the PM candidate. But they should remember Albert Einstein's wise advice.
ओके आचार्य प्रमोद कृष्णम, क्या आप मानते हैं कि आज का जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है उसके बाद राहुल गांधी को अपोजिशन अलायंस का प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा बन जाना चाहिए? बताइए। उसका जवाब अनुराग भदौरिया देंगे बाद में, पर पहले आचार्य।
इंटरेस्टिंग, आई एम लिसनिंग आचार्य।
ऐश्वर्या, एक बात मैं आपसे पूछ, दो तीन सवाल एक साथ हो गए हैं। एक तो बार बार ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि साहब राहुल गांधी जी का जो कन्विक्शन स्टे किया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, वो बहुत बड़ी, कोई ऐसा नहीं है बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई जीत ली है। अरे भाई, जब उनको सजा हुई थी तो क्या महाभारत का युद्ध जीत लिया था आपने? हैं? तो आप सजा याफ्ता